George Zimmerman is free on bond tonight, just one day after a judge ordered he be set free for $1 million. Now released for the second time since the killing of Trayvon Martin, the judge is setting very strict conditions. George Zimmerman released from a Florida jail for the second time. This comes just a day after a judge set his bond at $1 million. The Neighborhood Watch volunteer is awaiting his second-degree murder trial for killing Trayvon Martin, an unarmed black teenager. His defense attorney says Zimmerman is not a threat.
There's no concern in my mind that he would flee, and he's certainly not a risk to the community. George Zimmerman will be in court when he's supposed to be there.
The victim's parents and the Reverend Al Sharpton holding a press conference expressing their disappointment.
I usually get emotional just thinking about the situation that has happened. And just to know that the killer of my son may walk free sometime one day, it really hurts.
As a father, it's difficult as we sit through these proceedings, and you feel powerless when you hear things said about your child that you know is not true.
Zimmerman's previous bond was set at $150,000, but the judge revoked that last month after prosecutors said the man and his wife misled the court about how much money they had. This time, the judge has him on a very tight leash. He's wearing a GPS tracking ankle bracelet, and he's forbidden from leaving Seminole County, Florida. Zimmerman's attorney says he's now living in an undisclosed safe house, and he also cannot step foot on airport property, cannot apply for a new passport, and cannot have a bank account. The victim's family accepts the reality that justice for them could take up to another year. No trial date has yet been set.